You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you.
Hello people of this world. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Puma shoes. It has been a while since I did a Puma unboxing. I think the last one was the Puma Calis, which I absolutely loved, but I found another shoe recently that I also really like too, and it is the Puma Devas. I have two colorways with me today, and they are more neutral tones, and for the Puma Devas, I think they're so flattering and they are a platform shoe, and I can't wait to open them and see how they look on feet and review them for you. So let's just hop into it. The first one that I'm gonna unbox for you is, it's called Deva Suede Women's, and all of the ones that I got today are in a suede material, which you will see soon. And the color I got was Raindrop Marshmallow, and I think the raindrop refers to like the gray color that is for this colorway right here. And I got a size 7, and converted that's UK 4.5, European 37.5, and centimeters 23.5. For Pumas, I usually do get a size 7, and that is my original size, and usually it fits me pretty well. So we'll see how this one goes. So for the Puma box, it is just the original green box with their stripe, like kind of their iconic stripe that they put on the side of their shoes, and then the Puma logo. We'll open this up, and there's a lot of tissue paper right here, and here it is. This is the gray one, so they call this Raindrop, and I believe that the marshmallow is from this kind of beige color that they have on the stripe on the side. So let me go ahead and give you a closer look at these shoes so you can see all the details and see how beautiful it is. Here are the shoes up close. I'm gonna give you the front view right here, the top view. You have the side, inner side view, back view, and then the other outer side view. And let me go ahead and show you the fabrication for these. So all of these are the Puma Deva Suede, so everything is made out of suede for the main fabric content right here, and we can see that all the stitching is nicely done, and I really love this shoe, especially for the neutral tones it has for gray. I don't have that many gray shoes, but I think this one looks super sleek, and I just absolutely love it, especially matched with this beige color. It just gives a very simplistic and nice look. And the thing I like actually the most about these shoes is here, the bottom sole. It's super cool with the wave, like kind of like a shape of a wave on the bottom. So it gives that feeling of more movement for the bottom of the shoe, and when you wear it on, it just absolutely looks super cool rather than a completely straight flat one. I really like this cutout right here, and then as you can see, the bottom, it has an indentation, so it also gives it more texture and more dimensions to the shoe, and it just goes all around. It gives off like a shadow because it's actually painted in gray where the top of the indentation is, so it matches, this gray matches the gray of the main body. And then we have the shoelaces that are also in the same gray color as the body. And then for the Puma tag, there is a foil that is imprinted on, so Puma's imprinted in foil right there. And then also on the side right here, there's a foil, and then the logo on the back has the same silver foil, which I think matches it absolutely perfectly. And there are ridges on the bottom, again just for more dimension and texture. And then the bottom of the sole it looks super cool. There's a lot of ridges, more ridges on the bottom, and then we have the Puma logo, and I think it's just a super sturdy shoe. It's a platform shoe. It's not the lightest shoe, but it does feel super sturdy. And I think that this shoe is very nice for a platform because it doesn't look so chunky. However, if you want that height, because I think the bottom of the sole starts right here, so it gives you about maybe 2 inches of height throughout. So if you want that height but you don't want such a chunky looking shoe, I suggest this shoe because it looks like just the perfect shoe. It looks very slim but gives you that height that you need to wear for a platform shoe, and it doesn't look like an ugly dad shoe like some of like the Fila Disruptors. So if you don't really like that chunky look, I suggest this shoe is a really nice alternative. And overall, I really love the fabric and just all the colorways that they have. They have a cute light pink one, and they have other fabrics too, but I just think the suede gives off a very soft look, and it's just super nice and beautiful. So the next shoe that we have is a classic because I just wanted something in black, and this one, the colorway is Puma Black Marshmallow. So the main body is going to be black, and then again the marshmallow is probably that strip of the they have on the side is kind of a beige color, so I think it's referencing that color. And then again we have size 7 for these, so I got both of them in my size, and I just can't wait to see these ones because I just always love a good black shoe that you can just match with anything, and I think these are the perfect ones. So let's go ahead and open these. And here it is. These ones are so beautiful, so sleek, and so simple. So like the gray shoes, I will go ahead and give you an up close look on these shoes too. Here are the shoes up close, and I'm just gonna give you a look around. So this is the top view. We have side view, inner side view, back view, outer side view. And again, I absolutely love the shape of this shoe. Look how sleek that one looks, and I really love the black paint that goes all the way around the sole, the midsole of the shoe. And again, there's this like indentation, so there's the one on the top is painted. So I absolutely love that little detail because it just gives a lot more dimension and movement to the shoe. Kind of feels like a wave that's passing through. And also it's just that all around the sole, it's just a lot of different layers, and there's again the ridges on the bottom. There's some parts that are just sticking out. Just a lot of movement through the midsoles, which make it a bit more special. And then on the bottom right here, we have the ridges to help give friction to the shoe so you won't slip. We have the bottom logo of Puma. And like the other shoes, these ones are made out of suede. It's a black suede. And the thing I like about black, of course, is that you never have to worry too much about getting these dirty. They are always so comfortable and easy to use. We have the black shoelaces on the top, and then for this one we have just gold imprint all over for the logo, and I just think it gives a nice contrast. I really love the gold more than the silver for the gray ones. I think silver looks much better on the gray, but the gold absolutely makes the Puma logo pop out on this shoe. And then we have it on the side, and then of course we have it on the back for their logo. And then for this one, the side stripe is the same color as the gray one. So I really like the contrast of black and this beige color for the stripe, and I think it just goes really nice. It's very complimentary, and overall I think this is a beautiful basic shoe that you can wear every single day. If you like shoes that are more neutral colors but you want something a bit more special, has a little bit more oomph, and also has that height and platform, I really suggest the Puma Devas. These ones are the perfect shoe, and it looks still very feminine without being like a chunky dad shoes, which I know some people don't really like that shoe. But however, you know, platforms, you can never go wrong. You always want to give yourself a little bit boost, so I just think that these are really great. And also, let me show you the inside of the shoe. I didn't show you for the gray ones, but these ones also have the Puma inside, lastly printed in the gold color. And let's see, for the insoles, there is a bit of cushion, so I think it's very comfortable. And also on the ankle cuff, we have some cushion around it, so it can cushion your ankle and you won't get blisters, hopefully. And I think this is a shoe that you won't really have to break in. It's very comfortable, very sleek, and a very simple but complex design. So well done, Puma. So these are the shoes that I have to review today, and it was quite a short but sweet and simple review because I only have 2 colorways with me today. But these were my favorite 2 out of the whole line. I'm sure that if you liked other colorways, you can go check out the Puma website and see what they have. I'm sure there is a colorway that is there for you. And when I got these were actually on sale. I believe they were about $50 to $55, and I think that's a pretty good deal for these shoes, especially for the quality that you are getting. And I absolutely love the body for these, and actually I think the gray ones are my favorite one, because even though you think of gray as kind of a boring color sometime, or like very monotone and drowned out, this gray, especially the tone that they picked, is bright and beautiful, and it still looks very feminine. So I'm very pleased with these shoes, and I think the black one is just a good everyday shoe that you can match with anything. So I'm really pleased with the Deva design, and I really love it. It's just an absolutely beautiful shoe. And please let me know what your thoughts on these shoes are. Do you think they're beautiful like I do, or do you prefer a different kind of shoe like the Puma Kellys? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any questions or just any thoughts on these shoes, please let me know. I'll be sure to respond to you as soon as I can. And if you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and stay happy, and bye.